Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I left you guys on quite the cliffhanger in my last video, and it has been a while since I've updated you, but we're finally getting to it today. In my last video, I shared all the details about our Big Lake flip house, the very first house that we ever flipped, and I left you off with some pretty big hints of what was to come next. So if you guys haven't put it together, me and my fiance Avery, we bought another house. This house looks a little bit different because yes, it's an investment. Eventually it's going to be a long-term rental, but we actually have moved into this house. We're doing updates here and there, but it's definitely a different process from our flip house. And although I'm really behind on uploading, I have been filming the whole process. So I need to kind of give you guys a little bit of a timeline, and then we're going to get into doing a house tour. So today, the day that I am filming this intro, it is October 15th. We did close on our house June 10th. So we've been in here for a couple months. The house tour that you guys are going to see in this video was from more around June 10th, maybe 11th or 12th. I can't remember the exact date, but it was a while back. So clearly there has been a lot going on. My uploading schedule has been looking a little bit different lately. A lot of different things have been happening in me and Avery's lives, and so the uploading has been different. I'm just trying to balance life and find a good uploading schedule. But you guys don't care about that. What you guys care about is seeing this house that we bought. We have been living here for a couple months and I have loved every second of it. It is so fun to own your own house and live in your own house. You get to make up your own rules and you don't have to listen to anyone else's rules, which is so fun and awesome. I feel like such an adult. I'd love to stay and hang out, but I know you guys want to see this house tour. So before we get into it, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe. We are so close. We are like only a couple hundred away from hitting 10,000 subscribers, which absolutely blows my mind. So thank you guys so much, and now let's get into the house tour. All right, just come on in. We're gonna start right inside here in the living room. So this house is actually pretty old. I mean, if you know anything about me, I'm not gonna buy a brand new house. I'm gonna buy an old house and build some equity in it. Less than a year ago, we did buy a split level house that we actually flipped and have now sold it and got it off of our hands. But this is project number 2. The only difference here is that we are actually going to be living in this house. So very exciting. We're gonna do the whole live in it and renovate it while we're living in it. We'll see how that goes. This house is about 50 years old, and there has been a lot of animals throughout this house. You can just tell that it kind of stinks and smells musty and gross, and maybe some potential animal pee. So eventually we're gonna go ahead and just rip up this carpet, and then obviously we're gonna do a lot of updates in this house. We're gonna do specific room makeovers that I'm so excited to show you guys. But this is the living room. It's nothing too grand, but it'll do, you know. So this is a rambler. I really do wish that we could open up this wall right here and expose the kitchen so it could be more of an open concept. But unfortunately, this is a load-bearing wall, so this wall can't go anywhere. But I still think after some renovations and makeovers that this place is gonna look real nice. My long-term goal for this house is to rent it out as a long-term rental. Right now we're very far away from that, but that will be our future with this house. So right here is just kind of a closet. It's gonna be a coat closet. This would also be a great spot to have stairs going up if we ever decided that we wanted to build an upstairs. I have some crazy thoughts. I don't know if we'll actually do it, but that's where we would do it if we did. Now follow along. We're gonna go through this hallway. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath right now, but we are gonna turn it into a 4-bedroom, 2-bath eventually. So right now, this is the only bathroom that we have. It is kind of small, a little outdated. We gotta do some stuff to it, but it's functional, it'll work for now, and after a good makeover, I'm gonna love it. So I'm gonna go back out here, and this is where the 3 bedrooms are. So this right here, we'll go into it first. This is the master closet, or the master bedroom. There's not much of a master feel in here because this is an older house. but I think there are some things that we'll be able to do that will make it feel bigger. Even though I don't really know that we can expand the size of this bedroom. Something really crazy, come check out the master closet. Me and Avery are gonna be living here, like I said, so I do not know how we are going to be able to squeeze all of our stuff in here, but you know, it's okay. We'll figure it out. It'll work. We'll just have to put like 5 dressers in here somehow. I don't know. Let's keep going. This right here is bedroom number 2, and the carpet is just very interesting. The carpet's gonna go right away. All 3 bedrooms have different carpet, and then the living room also has another different type of carpet. So it's really fun, really weird. I actually don't like it at all. It's gonna go very, very soon. You'll see all of that. Again, the bedroom is kind of small. One thing that I do really like about this house though is that a lot of the windows were actually like put in recently, so they're only a couple years old, which is great for this. Come on over here. Have you ever heard of a Jack and Jill bathroom? Well, this is what I like to call a Jack and Jill closet. I don't really know exactly what people were thinking here, but you know, you go in through that way and I'll bring you to the 3rd bedroom here. So this, again, look at the carpet. It's different, it's weird. It'll all go, it'll be cohesive. So that's one entrance into the bedroom. Avery's recording there, so he's in the closet. Here is another entrance into the bedroom. It's actually gonna lead us to downstairs and the kitchen area. And then Avery, if you wanna turn around and show them, there's a 3rd entrance. So we're gonna do what we need to make it so that there's only one entrance. This right here is going to be the only entrance. So we'll like block that off somehow and make it 2 separate closets, and then this door right here we're gonna completely take out and just wall off because it's a really weird entrance. I don't want it. It's an older style, so but let's go through this way while it's still here. So down here is the basement, which I will show you guys in a little bit, but I want to show you the kitchen first. So it's not much, but it'll do. Eventually I want to rip out the soffits and do a complete makeover, but we're just not ready for that quite yet. The linoleum here also needs to go, and we'll update appliances and all that. Eventually with time it'll all be updated and it'll feel a lot more like home. And then through here is back how you get into the living room. So it's really a whole big circle, but let's go downstairs. This is how we would get out to the backyard, which I'll show you guys in a different video if you guys want to see that, but right now we're just gonna stick to the house. So let's come on down this way. I apologize for the lighting. It's not gonna be great down here. We're gonna have to do some lighting updates, but okay, so Avery can just kind of pan around the basement here. Right on this left side, it's going to be the living room over here. And then over here on this side, we're actually going to be building a 4th bedroom. My brother's going to be living with us, so we're gonna like wall off right here, and then we're also going to put in an egress window, and this will be our 4th bedroom. So in here, honestly, I don't really know what this really is. Do you know what this is? It's
our well.
Our well water heater? No, not water heater.
Water softener.
Yeah, so our well and water softener. This property does have a little bit of land. It's literally just an acre, so it's not much, but we do have a well and a septic, so I guess that's kind of the little utility room for that. I don't know much about it. But you can come into this way, and it's going to get a little bit loud because we have a AC thing going. But this is just kind of our utility room. So I have recently been doing a lot of like eBay stuff and a lot of storage locker stuff. And so I'm gonna store some of that stuff down here. You can see over here, there's just a lot of good space. And maybe when I go to sell or do long-term rentals, I can put another bedroom in here potentially. But for now, while I am living here, this is gonna be really good storage space. Now over on this side, I have a lot of really fun plans. I think it's really gonna up the value of this home when we get started on it. This is just under the stairs, nothing special. But this room right here is what's gonna be really great. So this is obviously the washer and dryer over here. I'm sorry guys, but the lighting just does not work in here as of right now, so you're just gonna have to deal with it. But right now it's the washer and dryer. Eventually this is where I would like to have the second bathroom. And I want to do that kind of soon because my brother is going to be living with us and I don't want him to have to go upstairs and downstairs and all that all the time. So I would probably like put a wall here-ish because I don't like laundry rooms and bathrooms to be joint. I like them to be separate. So I'd probably wall off like right here. That side be laundry room and then push all of this stuff over that's on the side here, and this would be bathroom. So there's a lot of projects that I plan on doing with this house. Let's go over here so you guys can hear me a little bit more because that AC thing is pretty loud and the lighting is better here, I guess. But what I was saying is we have a lot of projects that we are going to do with this house, anywhere from scraping the popcorn ceilings to building new bedrooms to adding bathrooms. That's something that we have not done a lot. We scraped ceilings and we added bedrooms at the last house that we renovated, but we did not add any bathrooms or anything like that, so that's going to be completely new. I know we're also going to do some projects outside, so when I do show you the outside, I'll explain all the projects that we're doing outside. But not only are we going to be adding things, we're also going to be doing complete start to finish makeovers on the bedrooms that already exist upstairs, as well as the kitchen, the living room. I have this really cool idea for the front entryway, and I think that you guys are going to want to definitely stick around and watch all of it because it's going to be so good. Another thing that I like to show a lot on my YouTube channel is my furniture flips, and we also have a really awesome garage, so we're going to do like some garage makeovers and all of that stuff. You guys will have to stay tuned. Maybe I'll do like a garage tour or a garage makeover video. I'm so excited about that part. Yes, there's lots of videos to come, guys. I think I am gonna end the video here. I showed you guys the majority of the house, so make sure you comment down below maybe what your favorite makeover is going to be, what you're most excited about. Do you want to see like a master bedroom makeover? You want to see a bathroom makeover? You want to see us putting in a new bathroom? I don't know, there's going to be so many projects. So with that, please make sure you guys like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.